There is a tiny twist in the movie. It's a great one. It's one that made me want to go and see it again.
Right.
Were there difficulties with that, as in script-wise or just filming-wise? I mean, as in, did you have to film in sequence or?
No, we didn't film in sequence. God, filming in sequence is the sort of, I've done, Room was the closest thing I've done to that, and it's a brilliant, brilliant thing because you're learning all the way and changing, as you discover. But we did as much as we could. But I think the basic feeling of how the end would work was always there. But in the edit, we shifted one thing, and we were able to. It was great that we could, because it unlocked something at the end of the film that I think is just, from a balance point of view, ultimately better. But yeah, no, we were all over it. And for Donal, that's an incredible, because his character has these kinds of, there's a rumble in him that is very intense, and that kind of vacillates in and out through the film, and we would have to jump into that and jump out of it all the time.
Would you hope that it takes people by surprise?
Yeah, I think when I read it, I think what you're looking for over the course of it are answers about who these people are, which is, any great drama, that's what you'll be looking for, not just resolution to relationships, but also some deeper understanding of who somebody is. I think what I loved about the script and then about the novel when I read it and now about the film is that, for me, it offers up pretty unambiguous answers to me, just from my point of view, with the last page of the book, almost the last words of the book, the last words of the script and the last image of the film offers you something which makes everything beforehand even deeper than you had thought it was. And I really like that. I don't think it's playing around with ambiguity. I think it knows itself, but doesn't feel the need to show you everything up front, which I think is a grown-up way of doing things.